Hello everybody, this is Professor Hubbard's hands, and we're giving you a demonstration of a relay. The relay is here, and you can see I've taken it apart so you can see inside, and then I have a taken apart one here. So if I turn this all on, you can see that things are flashing. So let me explain to you what's going on. The Arduino has a code in it. It's the blink program. And this is hooked up to pin 13 or built-in LED. And you can see that the program is basically just saying digital write LED 13 high, digital write LED 13 low. That's it. And it's turning the switch on and off. So you can see that when this is turned on, and this other LED is turned on. But what's happening is that the Arduino is creating a signal, sending it through over to here. Then the signal is passing through a magic spot on this relay, and it has an air gap. It's not directly connecting to the wires that are hooking this LED on. And essentially, a program can go in one side and safely turn on and off something else that's of a higher voltage. Now, this happens to be an LED voltage, but it could be a wall current. If I turn this thing sideways, you can see the silvery thing. We dealt with earlier, we dealt with the coil and current and electromagnet. And so when this is turning on, it is turning on an electromagnet, and then the electromagnet is attracting a switch that's right here. And it's, if you push on it, I'm trying to do two things at once. Here, if you push it, it clicks and moves. So why don't I just show you it moving? So you should be able to see this thing here moving. When the light goes on, it's becoming a magnet, and it's pulling this piece down, and then this piece is making a connection in here. But the signal here is not making a direct connection. It's only making an electromagnet. Very clever. And so this is how we can run a 5-volt Arduino program and control, in our case with the robotic arm, a 12-volt solenoid pump. And we'll be looking at the solenoid pump and how the same principle of an electromagnet that's being turned on. You're an electromagnet, now you're not. Now you're an electromagnet, now you're not. Now you're an electromagnet, now you're not. And when it's not, somewhat like the robotic arm and the rubber bands and things moving stuff, when the energy is not, when the magnet isn't attracting, the springiness of a spring here pushes it back. Okay, so next we'll be looking at the optical interface that enables the separation of the Arduino code and the actual electromagnet and the relay.